Hey YouTube, figured I'd share this what I've got here on the bench. I've not been uploading a lot, been just covered up with stuff. But anyway, we've got a Stihl Ms360 Pro here. Gave the saw. Guy told me as long as I kept it, I could have it. Thought it had a fuel line bad, ended up being one of the plastic cage roller bearings was sucking air. But anyway, what we've got so far, we've got our cases split. Got new OEM Stihl bearings. Those are not Chinese. I don't screw with Chinese stuff anymore. It's a waste of time, waste of effort. They were expensive. Everything I've got to go in the saw is OEM except for a set of caber rings. I really like those. They're Italian made. Even down to the base gasket, and the crankcase gasket is OEM. Got OEM fuel line, OEM carburetor. The intake boot was good, impulse line was good. I may replace it anyway, but I won't be using Chinese garbage on that either. But yeah, I thought I'd show that. I may update this once I get the saw together, a little bit further together. I'll show you more then. Hey folks, we're back. It's pouring rain. I hope you can hear me. Got our bearings, well, our bearings were in. We've got our crankcase assembly together. I'm not going to show how I do that. Not many people would agree. I'll just tell you, you don't need a damn set of $100, $200 tools to do it. A little bit of heat, freeze your bearings, they'll pop right in the crankcase. Turn the ends of your crank down a little with some sandpaper, they'll slide right in the bearings. Some people are going to say, you can't do that, that won't work. But I'm certified in engine building and repair, so I can promise you it will work. But anyway, yeah, I'll cut you back on when I got some more. Hey folks, I'm done here tonight with all I'm going to do. It'll be a while before I get back on this, a few days, but got our cases painted. I done shot it with a high temp flat black first, and then went over it with this ivory white. I know Stihl's gray, but I don't have any gray other than epoxy, and I really don't want to mix it up and really don't want to smell it tonight. So anyway, I'm going to cut this video here. There'll be a part 2 to it once the saw's more together. If you've watched it and want to follow, that's cool. If not, that's cool too. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.